In today's video, I'll show you how to add GIFs in the PageFly Builder to make your Shopify pages more engaging and interactive. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, open the page you want to edit using the PageFly editor. Inside the PageFly editor, look to the left side and click on the Elements panel. This displays all the drag and drop elements you can use to design your page. From the elements list, find the image element. Drag and drop it onto your page where you want the GIF to appear. Once the image element is placed, click on it to open the settings panel. In the image settings, locate the image source section and upload your GIF file from your computer. Once uploaded, the GIF will automatically appear in the image element. After adding the GIF, you can adjust its size, alignment, and spacing using the Style and Settings options. Take a moment to fine-tune the look so it fits well with the rest of your page design. When you are happy with how everything looks, click Save and then publish your page to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your PageFly page, giving your Shopify store a more dynamic and eye-catching design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.